Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to reset to the folder window. In here, in search, you can type reset and you will see this and click on it and click on reset PC in here, reset PC. There are two options. The first option will keep your file, and the second option is remove everything, your app and your personal data. So this means that if there are two drive in your PC, so the C drive will be removed, everything, but the D drive, your data drive, yes, it will keep as normal. So I will remove from all my C drive and I will click in here. And we use the local reinstall, not cloud. Cloud is 4 gigabyte, yeah, to download. But I choose the local and reinstall and click on it. This is the information, additional setting. Yeah, it will delete something. Yes, you can read it carefully. And then I click on it. And this step, you click on reset. So you have to read this one by one carefully. Yeah. If you agree, and you can click on reset. And it is preparing to reset. So now it is 100% preparing, and this device will automatically restart. Okay, so let's continue and click on continue in English. And select your country region and click on yes. So in here I do not want to change the keyboard. I use the United States International Keyboard and then click on yes. And in here I do not change any layout, just skip. And select the Wi-Fi, connect the Wi-Fi and then click on next. Okay, so now click next. The Wi-Fi is connected and click on it again. So in this step, please review the license agreement and I click on accept in here. And you can name your device. After name your device and click on it. So in this step, there are two options. The first is set up for personal use and second is for work and school. So I select the work and click on it. If you use for your personal, you can select the personal. And I select on sign in option and then I will select to join domain instead because I have domain name. And this is enter your name. So after enter your name and click on next again here. And this is the password, set your password. After enter the password, click next again. And you need to confirm the password to make sure it is correct. And after confirm, click next again. If the password is matching, it will go like this. And there are 3 questions in here. You can select one and answer. You can select one question and then answer, and another one, second one, and third one. So I will skip this step, and you can set the question and answer yourself. Yeah. So my 3 questions is set up already, and now it moved to this step, and this is use your finger to scan, but I skip this step. I skip for now. You can choose the privacy setting, and I keep the default and click on it. And keep default again, so click on it and I click on accept. Input your username, password and email address. After you fill your username and email address, click on it again. And this is the register and protect. So I keep the default and click on it. You can adjust its letter. when you done your setup. So in here you have to wait and allow your Windows update the new feature of your window. Yes, so you can see the percentage in here, and you have to waiting until it's completely 100%. I will skip this step. Okay, so now it is completely reset and the window download the new feature. So let's log into to see what is inside and put the password and input the password and then click on enter. Okay, so now we can log in and go to see the inside, and I will click on the C drive. You see the C drive is clean, everything is clean, but if you have two drive, D drive, your data is still remain.